today we're doing an unboxing of the OnePlus 5T. Now, we know that this has been out in midnight black, I believe, but what we have here is the Sandstone white. So we were able to get a hold of one of these limited editions, just arrived this afternoon, and I thought, why not share the experience and get into it with you guys. So let's have a look around the box and see what's inside. So on the front here we have your 5 to represent the Model 5 OnePlus, a new view, nothing on this side, and on this side it says OnePlus 5T. Now on the back here we've got your IMEI number, a bunch of information, and you can see here we've got the OnePlus 5. It's A5010 is the model number, Sandstone white, 128 gig, which is the only model sold for the special edition. So let's get the knife out and see what's what. I did pick up a few cases for this thing, so keep an eye out for that as well. You'll probably see those in later videos as I'm trying to get into this box first. Alright, super excited about this, guys. I was eyeing the Star Wars edition just because of the color configuration, and then when I saw this come up, I figured I had to get my hands on it just to see what's what. So let's open up the lid. The packaging here with OnePlus is always premium, very Apple-esque. I think they do a great job. And there it is, guys, sitting right in front of us. So I'm not going to look at it just yet. I'm just going to set it to the side. And what else do we get inside the box? So we've got your dash charger, okay, which is the same with all OnePlus 5Ts, as well as you've got your charging cable. Super nice premium setup, looks really good. I wish they'd provide headphones, but I guess for the money it is what it is. Now in the little package here we have, let's see, a case. Excellent. So we have our SIM ejection tool. We've got the OnePlus starter guide and all the other books, which I never bothered to look at. And we've got a really nice clear gel case, which I'll throw on after. So let's get into the phone itself. Alright guys, so here it is. Looks absolutely crazy. Oh wow, look at that finish, guys. Looks fantastic. Let's get rid of some of this paper here. Okay, and I'm just going to get rid of this IMEI stuff here. And there we go. Okay, and there it is, guys. It's a matte white. It has a sandstone finish. You can hear it. It feels like sandpaper a little bit. Really nice, very grippy actually, and has really nice chamfered edges. They're all chamfered in chrome. There is a black chrome around the ring for the camera. You've got matte black buttons right here. Sorry guys, just trying to get this thing to focus. Doesn't look like it wants to cooperate. Anyways, I'm not going to waste too much time here with you guys regarding the focusing, but they've got black buttons, okay, and there's a black SIM ejection tray, which is really cool. And on the top you've got nothing. On this side you've got that infamous red slider for your mute vibrate, as well as a black power button. Okay, on the bottom you have your usual array of speaker, charging port and mic, and yes, the headphone jack. On the front we've got the same as the old original 5T, which is just a straight up black screen. It has chamfered edges around the edge here. I'm just trying to see if the light will catch it. No, maybe a little bit, but it looks really nice, guys. The in-hand feel is amazing. So let's throw it in the case and see what it looks like. It's really nice of OnePlus to provide a nice case. It's clear for this one. It was smoked for the black version. I guess here you want to show off the white. Alright, looks really nice in the case. The case is really nice. It's thin. Feels really good. The button tactility is great. No issues there. Alright guys, so there it is. This is the OnePlus 5T in Sandstone white. If you have any questions, anything you need me to compare it to, please do post them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the extra coverage regarding the impressions and the review as well as the few cases that we have coming in for this particular phone. Otherwise, this has been Im, and I'm out. Appreciate you watching. Peace.